Here are snappy takeaway tips. Weight reduction after pregnancy can require some investment, and you may not return to your pre-child weight or a sound weight straight away. Low-calorie eats less are not suggested, especially for individuals who are breastfeeding. Be that as it may, diminishing your admission by around 500 calories each day is by and large protected and will assist you with losing 1 pound (0.5 kilograms) each week. Breastfeeding has numerous advantages for both mother and youngster. It might make weight reduction more troublesome in the initial 3 months baby blues, yet it might assist you with shedding pounds later. Checking calories physically or with an application may help you monitor what you are eating and backing weight reduction. Dissolvable fiber may assist with weight reduction by expanding sensations of totality and managing craving chemicals. Protein upholds weight reduction by boosting your digestion, expanding sensations of totality, and diminishing hunger. Keep solid food sources like organic product, vegetables, nuts, and yogurt at home and effectively open. Store unfortunate nourishments far out or don't keep them in the house by any means. Prepared food sources are higher in added sugars, fat, salt, and calories, and they are terrible for your well-being. Supplant them with new entire nourishments. Stay away from liquor on the off chance that you are attempting to get thinner. Also, the liquor you drink might be passed to your infant during breastfeeding. Oxygen-consuming activity has numerous significant medical advantages. Exercise, at any degree of power, joined with a smart dieting plan makes for a viable weight reduction strategy. Obstruction preparing encourages you get more fit and keep up bulk and may help breastfeeding ladies hold bone mineral thickness. Drinking water supports your digestion and helps weight reduction. It is particularly critical to remain hydrated during breastfeeding. Helpless rest can adversely affect your weight reduction endeavors. Despite the fact that it is troublesome with an infant, attempt to get as much rest as possible and request help when you need it. Face-to-face and online weight reduction gatherings might be useful, however more exploration is expected to contrast their adequacy with other weight reduction systems. Getting to a sound weight is significant, yet take care not to allow your weight to turn into a reason for pressure or nervousness. In the event that you believe you're not adapting admirably, request help from your family, companions, or clinical specialist.